Hi, welcome to my channel. I will sharing my another examination exercise in arpeggio. The arpeggio is several notes in sequence smoothly. Sometimes maybe slower. Or in almost time they are pattern quickly, smoothly. This is the one hand, and then you can combine in two hands. The seven notes quickly, and then one maybe sometimes in one hand to in a double arpeggio, and then sometimes it will be three parts in one group. For example, maybe quicker, but don't like that. This is not arpeggio. Another time will be two hand combos. Okay, this exercise is maybe easier. On the beginning, there is an octave from the double bass do and the bass do. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first bar. Then I will divide this song on just 2 sentences, and then the next bar, the first bar is from the do, and then the second bar is on the re, and then third bar on mi. Next is the sol, and next la, and then do, and then finish. Just 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just six bars. Okay, I'm from the second bar. You must count it in one beat in 4 times, like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then next. When you finish the first octave, your right hand must prepare to place on the next 4 in sequence, the four notes. Sol, la, do, re. They are upward. Sol, la, do, re, and then also sol, la, do, re, and then sol, la, do. But the re is also the last 2 beats. Also, the melody is sol, la, do, re, but the re is used the arpeggio for the melody. When you from the second bar, re, and then if you hear there's some noise, you can to touch the 4th string first. Use your pinky, but your palm don't lay straight. You must make sure your palm is flat, more flat, and then touch, and then place your 4 fingers, and then pluck. When you pluck your right hand, and then your left hand has already to find another 4 notes to prepare, and then when this finger begin to pluck, and then your right hand to find another 3 notes. So la, and then when you pluck the do, your left hand must to place on the arpeggio place, and then do, and then. Okay, I will try again the second bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then keep going next. Okay, finish the first part, first sentence. The arpeggio of the do in your book may be on the place on this part, but I have changed it to this place on the middle do and the treble do and the top do. Okay, and then the next sentence is also from the same place, from also this arpeggio do, and then this time the two hand and then downward. Okay, I will repeat. La sol mi re. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last second bar is also on place on the four fingers. La sol mi re. The mi is the eighth note, so the time value is longer than the before two notes. La sol mi and re. You can count it in 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then next 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. This song there is repeat mark. You can repeat this song, but I don't repeat end and the last bar finish just for the exercise practice more and more. And sometimes can you hear my hand? When I touch my hand maybe touch on the next group, so my hand must place don't in the upper line, so we touch, and then when I practice two string, there's no sound, so my hand must to place to place two string, and then la sol mi re. This will be better. Don't make any noise or stop the sound of the string. Okay, I hope my sharing can help you. See you next time. Bye.